Want to create stunning edge rotation transition that will wow your audience? Stay tuned because in just a few minutes I will show you how to create these professional eye-catching effects easy and free. Hello everyone. We are going to create an impressive page rotation effect that's perfect for presentation, portfolios or even social media content. Trust me, it's easier than you think. So, let's face it, static slides are boring, they don't grab attention and certainly don't leave a lasting impression. But what if you could transform your slides into a dynamic, visually stunning experience that where page rotation transition come in? First, right click on the slide, go to Format Background and select Picture or Texture Fill. Then insert your desired image. Next, we will create a gradient mask. Select a rectangle, drag it over the slide, and apply a gradient fill. Select black color and adjust the transparency to 30% for the first stop. Delete the middle stop to create a smooth fade effect. Select black color and adjust the transparency to 100% for the second stop. Now, here where the magic happens. Add oval shape, align them perfectly. Duplicate two shapes to create a spinning wheel effect and reduce its size. Select all three oval shapes, make align middle and align center. Then click on slide background fill. After that, go to shadow, select outer shadow from preset and increase size. Then select all shape outline, make it no outline. After this, add title and subtitle information here. Then right click, duplicate the slide. Select the text box and move it to the top of the slide. Add other information such as title and subtitle. The next important step is to spin the spinning wheel. Turn the largest circle clockwise. Then turn the smaller circle counterclockwise. Then turn the smaller circle clockwise again. Now change the background image. After this, go to Transition tab and select Morph effect. Duplicate the slide again and create 3 slides by following the same process as the first slide and rotate the shape to create a seamless spinning animation. Select the text box, copy it and paste it to the fourth slide and shift the text box to the bottom. Select this text box, copy it and shift the text box to the bottom. Select this text box, copy it and paste it to the second slide and shift the text box to the bottom. Select this text box, copy it and paste it to the first slide and shift the text box to the bottom. And there you have it, a stunning page rotation transition that's sure to impress. With just few simple steps, you have transformed your slides from basic to breathtaking. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and share this video with anyone who loves creating amazing presentation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.